The appearance of E1 might be due to the ice deflector being stuck, or the blue tape not having been removed. Step 1. Open the front panel, remove the blue tape, and check if the blue tape is blocking the ice deflector. Step 2. Restore the front panel. Check if the code has been restored. If the code has not been restored, contact the after-sales service at service@cotlin.com to replace the components. The E3 error occurred because the ice removal process timed out. Step 1. Open the front panel and the ice tray, and check if there is any ice in the ice container and if the ice cubes are too thin. Step 2. In the ice-making mode, use the up and down keys to adjust the time. 1 click represents 1 minute. The optimal setting is 3. After 5 seconds, the machine will automatically start making ice. If the code has not been restored, contact the after-sales service at service@cotlin.com to replace the components. E4 and D6 occurred because the condenser temperature was too high. Step 1. Inspect all sides of the machine. At 30 to 40 centimeter space must be reserved for heat dissipation and ventilation. Step 2. Observe the display screen temperature. When there is no operation, the display screen shows the ambient temperature of the environment. In the ice-making mode, press the setting button to display the condenser temperature.
E5 indicates that the flood in the water tank is unable to detect the inflow of water. Step 1. Check if the water valve device at the back of the machine is open or the water temperature during ice making is higher than 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 1. Check if the compressor is operating at a certain temperature. If there is a temperature, it indicates that the compressor is functioning properly. If the E11 error message appears multiple times, it means there is insufficient cooling. In this case, it is necessary to seek professional assistance for leak detection and refrigerant replenishment. If the compressor does not operate in the running state, retighten the starter protector.